Welcome to Supreme Auto Elite, where legends are born. Clapperboard introduction. Welcome back to Supreme Auto Elite, the ultimate destination for hypercar lovers, speed addicts, and fans of insane celebrity garages. And today, we're diving into a world where football superstars don't just dominate stadiums, they dominate the roads with some of the most insane, exotic, and ridiculously expensive car collections on the planet. Footballers don't just buy cars. They invest in rolling pieces of art. Machine beasts worth millions. Hypercars so rare, many people will never see them once in their lifetime. When you're scoring goals on a global stage, earning millions every week, winning Champions Leagues, World Cups, Golden Boots, and Ballon d'Ors, your garage becomes a trophy cabinet of horsepower. From Cristiano Ronaldo's Bugatti empire, to Lionel Messi's legendary Ferrari bidding war, from Neymar's wild lifestyle cars, to Holland's ultra-simple electric fleet, we're taking you into the personal garages of the world's most iconic footballers and revealing the rarest hypercars they own, the secret cars hidden from the public, the shocking price tags, the stories behind their purchases, and the insane personality differences you can literally see through their cars. This is not your basic footballers and cars video. This is a deep dive into automotive royalty. A 360-degree documentary into the lifestyle, spending habits, and insane car culture of football's richest icons. So buckle up, drop a like, and fuel up your adrenaline, because today on Supreme Auto Elite, we present Star, Celebrities, Car Collections, Footballers Edition. Full mega documentary, 5,500 words. Let's hit the road. Music intensifies, right pointing arrow cut to black. Trophy Chapter 1. Cristiano Ronaldo, the king of hypercars. If footballers were cars, Cristiano Ronaldo would be a Bugatti Chiron, powerful, precise, engineered for perfection, and built to dominate. And his garage, one of the most expensive automotive collections in the world. Ronaldo's car obsession has been public since his early Manchester United days. As his success skyrocketed, so did the horsepower in his collection. Let's break down CR7's automotive kingdom. Rocket Bugatti collection, Ronaldo's crown jewels. Cristiano doesn't just own Bugattis. He curates them like rare art pieces. 1. Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport Vitesse. Price: $2.2 million. The world's fastest roadster when launched. Ronaldo bought it after Portugal won the 2016 Euros. A victory car. 2. Bugatti Chiron. Price: $3.2 million. 1,500 HP of controlled madness. A machine for someone who lives at the top of the food chain. 3. Bugatti Centodieci. Price: $9 - 12 million. One of only 10 units ever produced. This is the Mona Lisa of Ronaldo's garage. Rumors claim he also had a reservation for the Bugatti La Voiture, nor priced at $18 million, although neither Bugatti nor Ronaldo confirmed it. Fire Ferraris, Lambos and Rolls-Royce. CR7's Ferrari lineup includes Ferrari F12 TDF, Ferrari 599 GTO, Ferrari Monza SP1. His Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4, all black, reflects his aggressive playing style. And let's not forget the gifts. Rolls-Royce Cullinan, gift from Georgina. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead, CR7 himself. Rolls-Royce Dawn. He also owns a Brabus G-Wagon worth $900,000. Collision: the crashes and controversies. Ronaldo has crashed 2 cars. A Ferrari 599 in Manchester. A Bugatti Veyron transported by staff in Majorca. Because even kings have bad days. CR7 summary. Cristiano is the footballer with the most elite hypercar collection. Bugatti loves him. Rolls-Royce suits him. Ferrari respects him. His garage screams one thing: power, perfection, prestige. GOAT Chapter 2. Lionel Messi, the silent collector. If Ronaldo's garage is explosive, Messi's is elegant. Messi is the man who doesn't show off, yet he owns some of the world's most iconic machines anyway. His car journey began quietly in Barcelona, where he'd often drive simple cars to training. But don't be fooled, Messi owns some true gems. Fire the most legendary story: the $35 million Ferrari 335 S Spider Scaglietti. Back in 2016, an auction shook the world. A rare 1957 Ferrari 335S, once driven by racing legend Sterling Moss, went up for sale. Rumors erupted that Messi outbid Cristiano Ronaldo and purchased it for $35 million. Messi later laughed about it, posting a picture of a toy Ferrari saying, "My new car," open mouth smile. But multiple sources still claim it's in his private collection. Messi's real collection includes 1. Maserati Gran Turismo MC Stradale. One of his favorites. Elegant, powerful, Italian. 2. Audi R8 V10. Gift from Barcelona's Audi sponsorship. Messi used to drive this car often. 3. Cadillac Escalade. Preferred family car. 4. Range Rover Vogue and Sport. Used for training sessions for years. 5. Pagani Zonda Tricolore. Price: $2.1 million. One of the rarest Paganis ever built. A car so loud and extreme it fits Messi's inner wild side. Messi's car choices show his personality. Quiet, focused, elegant, no need for flash. But when he buys something rare, it's legendary. Tornado Chapter 3. Neymar Jr., the Rockstar Footballer. If you mix football with luxury lifestyle, parties, fashion, tattoos, and wild personality, you get Neymar. And his garage matches that energy. Car highlights of Neymar's collection. 1. Ferrari 458 Italia. A bright yellow one, loud and stylish. 2. Lamborghini Aventador. Perfect for someone who lives extravagantly. 3. Porsche Panamera Turbo. One of his comfort cars. 4. Audi R8 Spider and RS7. From his Audi sponsorship years. 5. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, rumored. A car Floyd Mayweather owns. Worth $4.8 million. Some sources claim Neymar ordered one but never confirmed. The car Neymar can't live without. Mercedes-AMG G63. His daily driver in Paris and Brazil. Flamboyant, loud, stylish. Neymar's garage is a reflection of his life, energetic and unpredictable. High Voltage Chapter 4. Kylian Mbappé, the young millionaire who can't drive. Here's the funniest fact: Kylian Mbappé does not have a driving license. He's a global superstar, a millionaire, a World Cup winner at 19. But he can't legally drive a car. Yet he owns several. Mbappé's collection includes VW Tiguan, VW Touareg, Mercedes V-Class, BMW X5, Audi A6, Ferrari 488 rumored. He loves cars but prefers to be driven. And considering he earns nearly $1 million per week, fair enough. Mbappé is the opposite of most footballers. Humble, practical, focused, minimalist. But in 5 years, expect a hypercar rampage. Crossed Swords Chapter 5. Erling Haaland, the simple giant. You'd expect a man built like a Viking warrior with monstrous scoring power to drive insane hypercars. But Haaland, he's shockingly simple. His cars: Audi RS6 Avant Daily Beast, Mercedes GLE Coupe, Land Rover Defender. He also rides electric golf buggies around his hometown. Haaland has said, "I don't need expensive cars. I need goals, respect." But don't worry, he's young. When those Premier League bonuses start stacking, a Chiron might enter his future. Tiger Chapter 6. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the Lions Garage. Zlatan isn't a footballer. He's a personality, a legend, a myth, and his cars match that intensity. Zlatan's insane collection includes 1. Ferrari LaFerrari. Price: $3-5 million. A limited edition masterpiece. Only 499 were made. And Zlatan has one. 2. Ferrari Monza SP2. Another exclusive Ferrari. Only the elite get access to this. 3. Porsche 918 Spider. A hypercar icon. 918 horsepower. Hybrid madness. 4. Lamborghini Gallardo. One of his older favorites. 5. Maserati Gran Turismo. A stylish Grand Tourer for the king. Zlatan's garage is elite, uncompromising, aggressive, just like him. He once said, "Lions don't compare themselves to humans." His car collection agrees. First place medal Chapter 7. Karim Benzema, the hypercar purist. Benzema is quiet off the field, deadly on it, and luxurious in life. His remarkable collection includes 1. Bugatti Chiron, His most iconic car, seen driving it in Madrid many times. 2. Bugatti Veyron Pure Sang. One of only 5 ever made. A true collector's piece. 3. Rolls-Royce Wraith. Smooth, elegant, presidential. 4. Ferrari 488 Pista. Sharp, fast, stylish, like his finishing. 5. McLaren 720S. A beauty of aerodynamic engineering. Benzema's garage is pure class. No nonsense. No random cars. Only weapons. Top Hat Chapter 8. Paul Pogba, the flashy superstar. Pogba loves style. He loves fashion. He loves being noticed. Naturally, his cars reflect this bold personality. Pogba's collection. Rolls-Royce Wraith. Rolls-Royce Dawn. Mercedes GLS. Audi RS6. Ferrari 812 Superfast. Lamborghini Aventador. Maserati Quattroporte. He loves big, loud, muscular, attention-grabbing machines. If footballers' garages were fashion houses, Pogba's would be Gucci. Tiger Chapter 9. Mohamed Salah, the humble king. Salah is grounded, humble, and extremely low-key. But he still enjoys quality engineering. His collection includes Bentley Continental GT, Mercedes GLC, Mercedes S-Class, Audi Q7, Toyota Camry. From early career, Salah doesn't chase hypercars. He values comfort, safety, and luxury that fits a family man. Globe Chapter 10. Sadio Mane, the most humble of them all. Mane is known globally for his generosity. He builds hospitals, schools, and homes in Senegal. He once said, "Why would I want 10 Ferraris? I don't need fancy cars." His garage includes Audi RS7, Range Rover Sport, Mercedes G-Wagon, Bentley Continental GT. Luxury, yes, but modest compared to his superstar peers. Oncoming Car Chapter 11. Honorable Mentions. 1. Gareth Bale. Audi, Lamborghini, Bentley. A quiet collector. 2. Eden Hazard. BMW X6, Range Rover, Audi RS7. Simple and practical. 3. Raheem Sterling. G63, Bentley, Lamborghini Urus. Flashy and bold. 4. Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. One of football's biggest car personalities. Wrapped Lamborghinis, Ferraris, and Porsche 918s in gold, chrome, and wild colors. Clapperboard Final Chapter. Conclusion. Footballers aren't just athletes. They're global icons living lives that are larger than life, and their cars reflect their identities more than anything else. Cristiano Ronaldo collects Bugattis like trophies. Messi chooses art over noise. Neymar lives like a superstar. Mbappe doesn't even drive yet, but owns the future. Haaland is simplicity, power, and focus. Zlatan is mythology on wheels. Benzema curates hypercar masterpieces. Pogba expresses personality through machines. Salah is humble royalty. Mane is generosity personified. Their garages reveal personality, lifestyle, culture, mindset, and how each superstar views success. Cars aren't just vehicles. For footballers, they're symbols of their journey, from poverty to power, from streets to stadiums, from dreams to reality. And whether it's a $12 million Bugatti or a simple Toyota, every car tells a story. Outro. And there you have it. The ultimate deep dive into footballers' insane car collections, brought to you by Supreme Auto Elite. If you enjoyed this mega documentary, smash that like button, subscribe for more high-octane content, and let us know in the comments. Which footballer has the best car collection? And who should we cover next? Until next time, drive fast, live elite. This is Supreme Auto Elite, signing off.